Cervini Ferrar, just like I pictured it and remember it. Can you imagine that? There's the wall. Here we are pulling into Dubrovnik Harbor. There's Mary Lynn. Right, Cervini Ferrar. There's pulling into Dubrovnik. There's me, yo-yo. Look, we left our room windows open. Oh my God, it was opening out. Let's find out what's out that shit hanging out of our window. Hey, what's all that stuff hanging out of our window?
That's not our window, honey. Our window's way at the top.